It's not every day I get to work on a new car lately, but this is a really nice occasion for me because I get to work on this lovely Audi A3. It's in this beautiful blue. I don't know what the name of the blue is, but if you do, leave it in the comments down below because this is really nice. Maybe something for the E30 at some point, but yeah. So the car is in for ambient light install. So as you guys know, just having a quick look around the car as it is, there's nothing really ambient light related in this car. I don't think there's nothing underneath here, which I think some of the other Audis can have. It does have the little door symbols put in though, which is nice. With regards to this car, I'm going to be clearing out the interior as much as I can and removing everything that I need to. As you guys know, with a lot of these things, I try to, one, take apart the door cards, see what is required there, take apart the center console, see what's required there, and then look at doing the full installation. So first step, I'm going to look at taking apart one of the door cards just to have a look behind it and just to see what the situation is. Try to find the live and earth points and then look at doing the same with the center console, see what we're going to do with the dash, and then following on from there, look at basically doing the rest. So without further ado, let me dismantle one of the doors and then I'll take you all through everything else after that. Oh my gosh, look at how overgrown my beard and everything looks. I really need a haircut sometime soon. So everyone, just removing the center console piece, you got to basically get into this area. Now you can use trim removal tools or you can use this little presser one that I've got. Again, this is a lifesaver. It's worth buying if you're going to do any form of interior work. So I'll leave a link for it. I'll leave a link for it in the description below. But yeah, slide this in, pop this up. We'll go around to the other side and I'll show you how I do it there. So as you can see, it's got the light so you can actually see here, but get this trim piece in. Boom. Oh, it's just so much easier with this thing than it would be if you're trying to grab this or even use a normal trim removal tool. But once you've got this up, I'm gonna try and take this gear gaiter off as well so I can slide this whole thing out of here. So once you get the center console removed, you'll see this little section here. Now, oh, it's gonna be quite awkward to get the lighting here at the same time, but this guy is connected just down here. Unclipping this is a live and earth for the cigarette lighter just over here. So we're going to splice into the cigarette, the live, the earth, and this I guess it's the ambient lighting remote switch. So that will only turn on when the lights are on, so it'll give the car the full effect of only having the ambient lighting on. Basically it'll have it so that the ambient light will only turn on when the car's lights are on. So just looking inside of here now, you can see, if I leave the light there, that's how it's looking. So the live and earth have got connectors on as well as this guy here. So time to deal with the rest of the ambient lighting. Just so you guys know, I've tucked all the footwell lights and stuff going through on each sides, and I've fed the lines over for the ambient lighting strips to go across the dash. That's all tucked in here nicely. So I'm just applying some tape and stuff so things can actually be secured in here without rattling and stuff in the future. So just going to tidy that up now. I'll be able to put the centerpiece back on, which will be nice. So everyone, with regards to removing the doors, you basically, it's actually much simpler than the newer one. But to take off this grill, you've got 3 screws that you got to take off. You got one just up here, 2, and then the third one is just underneath the handle. These screws are T25s. Now once you've got those off, you just need to find a nice point to get your plastic trim piece underneath, and ideally use this tool to pop it all open. From here, just pull apart the door. The top does need to be slid out, so pull all of this towards you and then pop it up from the top. Probably be easy if you had the windows down, but it's literally the exact same thing on the rear door as well, and then you'll be able to get access to everything. Now then, on each of the doors you've got these little, oh, I don't know what the best way to put it is, modules. Just disconnect it, get the live and earth from there to tap into, or if you can tap into it from here, that'd be great. But I'm just going to disconnect it here, move the thread back a little bit, tap into the live and earth. Let me show you that. And just like that, got the live and earth points ready. Now time to work on the doors. So as you can see, I've taken the strip of fibre optic across here. You can do other things with it, but that's the way the owner wanted it. Just taking it all the way across round, got the cable across here. And on the door just over, I've connected up the ambient light module just here and everything else. So we're all ready to reconnect this door back on. So everyone, managed to get the car done. Ooh, you can get a little sneak peek just there. But there we go, that's how it looks. Let's go ahead and change some colors around on the app. I think we'll leave it on the blue for now, but you can see how it just streams across everywhere. Again, on camera, it's never as clear as it is in person. Let me turn the lights off and show you a little bit more of what it looks like. So a nice little glow underneath the dash. We've got it all across the footwells as well. I'll add some pictures of it because I feel like that's going to capture it a little bit better. But yeah, this has been a nice car to get done. Getting these strips into the doors was a lot of hard work, purely because it's so tight, especially on the driver's doors, really tight. But once you get it in there, it just looks really clean. Fed it round through the other bottom piece there and just looped it round back in. You can kind of see what I've done. You look at it that way. So this is on a hatchback version that I'm working on. To get the center console light to work, I've had to drill a little hole here, which, as you can see, that allows you to take a fiber optic tube through there, and you'll be able to connect. Let me just get the lighting in here decent. So yep, a little hole just there, like I do with some of the door cards and stuff, and that would allow you to feed the fiber optic cable through and round. Lovely little hatchback. And here I am with the hatchback A3 completed. So not the S3, but the A3. And with the difference on the center console. Oh, I'm gonna close the door, but you can see just how good that center console piece actually looks. So everyone, the A3 hatchback is now done. And I'm just gonna turn the lights off in the garage to show you all the ambient lighting on this car. So here is how it looks in the hatchback. It never looks as good on camera as it does in person, but you know what, I really like the green on this car. I think it looks so cool. But I got a feeling because the car is blue, the owner's probably gonna want it in blue as well. So we'll leave it as blue for now, but it looks really good. I really like the way the centerpiece has come out. But yeah, you can just see how it all looks. It's looking really good. And how it looks in the back. You can't really see all on this GoPro, but I'll try and do some color correction, or if anything, actually, I'll show you what it looks like when you're looking at it through the Samsung. When you look at it through here, that's a bit more representative of what it looks like in person. So, GoPro, Samsung. A lot more contrast on the Samsung settings, but you get the idea. But yeah, it's been fun working on these Audis, and yeah, it's something a bit different. But I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. If I could have done anything any differently, please let me know in the comments down below. If you want to tackle this yourself, I'll leave a link for all the tools and all the bits and pieces that I use in the description down below. Or if you want to look at getting your ambient lighting done by either myself or, you know, I can try and help finding someone closer to you, then please get in touch with me on Instagram and we can take it from there. Oh, and if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to the channel, because it just helps me feel good about myself. And that's the best way to put it, actually. It's just a nice little boost that I'm doing something good. For now, peace out everyone. Catch you later. Bye.